Okay, so the first thing that I did, I'm going to do my eyes first, and I'm applying Too Faced Shadow Insurance to prevent any creasing. This eye look is super simple and fast. So I'm just applying that all over my eyelid, and then I'm just going to apply a little bit of concealer just to even everything out because I do have some discoloration on my eyelid. And I'm using this ColourPop. I don't even know if they have this anymore because this collection came out so long ago. It's just a loose shimmery shadow. So I'm just tapping. I'm not even applying anything to stick it. I'm just tapping it all over just to give it like a little shimmery glow. I don't want anything super strong or anything. You can wet it to make it a little more intense. And then I took these like goldish brown rhinestones. I first thought they were a little big, but they were the only ones I had in this color, and I really wanted this color. So I'm just using a little bit of lash glue and a wax pen to apply them kind of in a cut crease style, where I would put a cut crease just above my actual crease and just sticking them with the lash glue, which works perfectly good. And yeah, I'm just putting it like in a cut crease. It's super simple and easy and fast. I would probably use a little bit smaller rhinestones next time, but like I said, it's the only ones I had. First, I'm going to take this Laura Mercier The Perfect Cream Multitasking Moisturizer. I've had it sitting here for weeks and I've been wanting to try it. I just always forget. So since rhinestones are on trend right now in makeup, I just realized that Coachella is coming up and ooh, this smells good. And as far as makeup goes, I feel like you're going to see everybody's face covered in rhinestones. So I just decided right now that that's what I'm going to call this, a Coachella look. Okay, for a little dewiness, I just got this Bodily, I'm not sure how to say this, but it's a Beauty Elixir Smoothing and Glowing Complexion. It's just a spray, so I'm going to go ahead and put that on first. It smells kind of minty. Has like a minty smell to it. So definitely try new products because this was new, it smelled good, it felt good, and this is also new. It did give some kind of like glow to the skin. So for foundation, I'm going to use this one again. It's the Makeup Forever HD Skin. This one just came out. Shoot, crap. Before that, I forgot. It's another, shit, I almost cut myself. It's another new product. It is from Rare Beauty, new for me. Rare Beauty, it's the Always On Optimist Illuminating Primer. Packaging is really cute. A universal gel primer enriched with ultra fine pearls for a lit from within glow. Oh wow, it's really like looks like pearl, like a pearl color. Oh my god, really pearl pink color. Feels really good. It's not sticky at all. Then I'm just gonna take a little bit of the Cover FX Power Play Concealer and just kind of warm up my forehead. I guess I'll put some everywhere else. I'm using the same foundation brush. Concealer, I'm going to use Born This Way from Too Faced. The same brush I always use. Oh, crazy there on my nose. I do have a new setting powder, but before I set that, I got new Huda Beauty cheek tints. So I'm going to try one of those. Perky Peach. I haven't tried them, but I did swatch them. It's a little, yeah, I'm going to go with this one. Seems like this one, Perky Peach, is a little bit an iridescent illuminating one, but this one's a little too bright. I'm just going to go with this. So I'm going to put this on right here on my cheek. This will also help your blush last a little bit longer if you on a cream and then put another blush on top. I don't know if I'm going to do that yet, but oh, so dumb. I had the brush right here that doesn't come with it, but I'm so dumb. I wanted to use this too. It's Huda Beauty's Face Cheek Color brush. It was sitting right in front of me and I forgot. And I got Huda Beauty's new under eye setting powder. It's just a different color. It's the color Cherry Blossom. It's like it's full on pink. I haven't tried it yet, but if you use the color Pound Cake, which is the color that I normally use, I love her setting powder, by the way. I think you guys know I've talked about it like so much. I'm gonna put it on with what I normally put it on with, which is this little Makeup Forever sponge right here. So if you use the color Pound Cake, or there's one other color that if you use those colors, you can probably use this one as well. It will work for you. So I'm gonna, ooh, it's pink. Oh, okay. That worked. I really, really love the setting powder. If you haven't tried it, I would definitely recommend it. I like it. Now I'm also going to go in with another Huda Beauty product, Glow Wish, the Glow Wish line. It's the bronzing powder in 01 Light. I'm going to contour my nose with Benefit's Hoola bronzer. I didn't even put anything under my eyes, mascara or anything. I'm just going to add a light brown, a little bit of a light brown color under the eye. Adding a little bit to bring a little bit of that shadow back underneath the eye. I'm going to use this Time Los Angeles Macchiato lipstick. And I'm just going to put a little bit. I went ahead and put liner on already. I'm so sad. This one's already getting old. If you're really going to Coachella, you can apply a setting spray. I think I'm just going to add a little bit more of this spray that I used. I'm not going to Coachella, so I'm not going to do my hair.